Top 15 Large Language Model, LLM, Based Project Ideas 1. Automated Code Generation using LLM. Overview. Develop a system that utilizes a large language model to generate code snippets or even entire programs based on natural language descriptions of desired functionality, thereby automating software development tasks. 2. Medical text summarization with LLM. Overview. Create a tool that leverages a large language model to summarize lengthy medical documents, research papers, or patient records, aiding healthcare professionals in quickly extracting essential information. 3. Smart Customer Support Chatbot. Overview. Build an intelligent chatbot powered by a large language model to provide efficient and personalized customer support across various platforms, capable of understanding and responding to complex queries. 4. LLM-based code refactoring assistant. Overview. Develop an automated assistant for software developers that utilizes a large language model to suggest code refactoring techniques, improving code readability, maintainability, and performance. 5. Legal document analysis and summarization. Overview. Create a tool for legal professionals that employs a large language model to analyze and summarize legal documents, contracts, or case law, facilitating faster research and decision-making processes. 6. LLM-driven personalized news. Aggregator. Overview. Design a personalized news aggregator application that uses a large language model to understand users' preferences and interests, delivering tailored news articles and updates in real time. 7. Language translation and localization platform. Overview. Build a language translation platform powered by a large language model, capable of translating text between multiple languages while preserving context and nuances, facilitating cross-cultural communication. 8. LLM-based plagiarism. Detection system. Overview. Develop a plagiarism detection system that employs a large language model to analyze and compare text documents, accurately identifying instances of plagiarism or intellectual property infringement. 9. Automated resume builder and analyzer. Overview. Create a web-based tool that utilizes a large language model to assist job seekers in generating optimized resumes and analyzing job descriptions, ensuring better alignment between candidate skills and employer requirements. 10. Virtual assistant for academic research. Overview. Design a virtual assistant tailored for academic researchers, leveraging a large language model to help in literature review, citation management, paper organization, and even generating preliminary drafts of research papers. 11. LLM-based sentiment analysis. Tool. Overview. Build a sentiment analysis tool powered by a large language model, capable of accurately analyzing and categorizing sentiment from text data sourced from social media, customer feedback, or product reviews. 12. Automated content creation platform. Overview. Develop a platform that utilizes a large language model to automatically generate high-quality content such as articles, blog posts, product descriptions, or marketing copy, tailored to specific domains or industries. 13. Educational chatbot for personalized learning. Overview. Create an educational chatbot powered by a large language model to provide personalized learning experiences, answering student queries, delivering course materials, and even generating practice questions. 14. LLM-based cybersecurity assistant. Overview. Design a cybersecurity assistant that utilizes a large language model to analyze security logs, detect anomalies, suggest security best practices, and assist in incident response and threat intelligence. 15. Real-time code documentation generator. Overview. Build a tool that leverages a large language model to automatically generate comprehensive documentation for code repositories, including function descriptions, usage examples, and API references, facilitating code maintenance and collaboration.